Hello everyone, and today we will discuss about the market conditions and and which kind of opportunities do we have as traders to make money. So in order to start, I have to mention some information about our fundamental situation. So in Europe, we see that our states continues to vaccine the people, and which is good because it creates more calm among people and gives us more stability on the market. But if we go and see the situation in the US, we continue to observe the situation between Trump and elections and his big role as ex-politician. And it also gives a lot of possibilities to for us, for the Euro and US, or more specifically for US pairs, direct US pairs, and such kind of vision. But let's move forward to our technical analysis and let's discuss about Euro USD. And here in hash 4 we see a good opportunity for sell from here because we miss the confirmation, but it's also good to start our selling from here to down, because here definitely will be a sell or a drop. When I recommend just to see this opportunity, and here we will have a stop loss near this level, and it will be good because it's not a very large one. And moving forward at GBP USD, here we have another opportunities because the price is near this level here, which is a historical level. Let's see that. Yes, indeed. And let's see how the price will behave here. If we will see a penetration in the up side, here we will look for the buy orders, but I don't think that the price will go up, because we have a lot of difficult situation in Great Britain, like Brexit and so on and so forth, and I think that here will be a sell opportunity. But again, I recommend you that you have to look for good setups, and more specifically, we have to wait for confirmations here, like a pin bar, I don't know, like a bearish engulfing pattern, and after that we will have definitely a very good sell. I mean, look here at the MACD. Here also we can see a sell opportunity here, because like you have a new high here. Okay, and in H1 it is the same. It's the same situation. We see our rejections here, and just we expect a sell in my opinion. But again, just let wait for a good confirmation for that. Moving forward, we have USD Swiss franc. Here is a different situation, but again, we have to be biased on the US straightening or US dollar straightening. I mean, here is a clear possibility to go up, or we will see for a long-term condition a rise, which is good for us for long-term conditions. But let's think about our short-term, like hash 4, a medium term. I mean, here in hash 4, and here we had a rejection at this level, which is a strong one, and we see like it's moving up. But here we have I like uncertainty on the MACD, but it's not a real big problem, because in hash 1 we see here a buy opportunity till here, I mean, which is a good one. But again, we can have here a stop loss, and till there will be our TP at this level. But let's see how it will work. Again, we went to trade with confirmations, with good patterns to have a high probability chance. Moving forward at USD CAD, here we have another situation, and which is again based on US straightening. I mean US dollar straightening, because after such big falling of the US dollar, we really expect a rise for the US dollar. So again, here we have a rejections here at this level, which is a historical one. If we look in the history again, and here we expect just more buy opportunities here. Again, we can put here a stop loss and just wait for better confirmation. But again, here we see that it's forming a shoulder. I mean, or a double top. It is okay to say the double top. Where is the second leg of the mountain, of this mountain? But let's see how it will behave in H1, where because it's a good time frame for entries. Again, here we see on the MACD a buy opportunity. Moving forward on USD GPY, here we see the fact that again we had a retracement until this level, which is okay, and we expect a rise. We really expect a rise. Why? Because again, US dollar has to gain powers and have to rise till the moon. I mean moon, because for long-term perspective, we will see. I think that we will see just buy opportunities. But again, let's wait for confirmation. But again, if we look at MACD, we look here at this rejection and at the candlesticks, we see a good opportunity to buy until this level, and let's see how it's going on. But again, if we put here a stop loss, it will be definitely fine. Moving forward, and on NZD USD, here we have our trend line. Excuse me, this is my favorite trend line. Again, here we see a rejection and the forming of a downtrend, which is nice. Again, this is in a H4, and daily. In daily, it's less visible, but we definitely can understand that on the MACD and on our daily candlesticks, we see the divergence, a big fat divergence. Again, which give us a long-term bias for selling. But let's move on our H1 time frame, and here, wow, again, let's see our MACD sell confirmation, and again the candlestick patterns, which gives us a lot of possibilities for sell. I mean, if we put here a stop loss, it will be fine. It will be really fine. And let's move forward to AUD USD. Here we have like a not very clear trend. I mean, but here is again, we can draw here a line, which is fine because we have multiple confirmations, a confluence here. Because why? Look, here we have a level, and here we have our trend line and a rejection. And in H1, we see here a beautiful construction of candlesticks. Again, and we have here our confirmation for sell. And we expect selling, and we recommend you to sell, dear traders. And or until this level. And after that, we'll construct a very beautiful downtrend, which is fine now. But I mean, let's see how it will behave in the future. But again, with a stop loss here, which is a very safety place, we can expect more sells than buys. And let's move on our favorite energy pair, I mean brand, which is a very popular one among traders. And here we see a big rise, and after a big rise we expect sales or a drop, because look here, my dear traders, because we have a huge rise, and here we have a divergence, a huge divergence. Look here, and we expect to sell, and just see that the fact that it will penetrate the this kind of trend line. Yes, let's draw it more precisely, because it is too far here, because I mean we had for a long period of time this kind of trend, and we can have or expect a big fall. But again, we look for confirmation, because I mean here could be a confirmation here, which is fine, but like a morning star here. But again, let's see, here we have another confirmation, but let's see how it will behave. But in general, we expecting a fall. I don't know, it will be a big one, or for at least for 50 pips, 50 pips, 70 pips. VTI, if we speak here about American oil, here is the exact situation, exactly the same situation. Here we have again a divergence, a very big, large divergence, which is a good opportunity for us, for all of us as traders. And again, let's move to gold. Gold is very interesting today, but for the last days we had here a big drop, and wish you had profits on that. But as we can expect after a big drop, we expecting a small retracement or a rise even. I don't know till which level we can have here a rise, but we can draw here one level, one very strong level, as we can see. We have a lot of rejections here, and let's look if we will have here a buy opportunity, because here is more likely like a sell opportunity. But again, let's wait for a confirmation. If this level will be broken here, we will expect a fall, or we will recommend more sell opportunities or sell orders. But again, let's wait for a good setup confirmation and candlesticks and so on and so forth. And generally speaking, this is our situation on the markets. But let's see if we have some questions. If we don't have questions, we think we are done today, because we used to do our analysis on our major instruments where we use, and I think that everything will be okay, because we will trade with safety trades, with confirmations, with stop losses, and so on and so forth. And I wish you a good day, a good profitable day, and let's see us tomorrow.